What if you didn't have to touch the keyboard? What if you just described what you wanted built and watched it happen? Today we're handing the controls to Claude. We'll watch it build a Bitcoin and 3 coin tracker from scratch, access container logs from a running Postgres container, and build a brand new Backstage application, start it and sign in as guest, and scroll through the application, and some more things, all by itself. Let me show you what I've done so far. Okay, so first let's just turn computer use on, go to settings, desktop app general, and toggle on the computer use button, accept the disclaimer, and off we go. So here we're just going to ask Claude to create a directory and then build out this Bitcoin and 3 token coin tracker for us. So we'll just pass that in, and just to be clear, this is Claude interacting with a virtual machine to then run Claude to build these things. So I'll just step back, we'll have the music on and just watch Claude do its thing. That worked wonderful. That was great. So now I just want to show you that Claude can also access logs in a run-in Postgres container. Also on the virtual machine that we've got showing here. So it is still the Claude Cowork interacting and managing the virtual machine. So there we go. Look, you can see the logs of a running container. So much more that we could do with this, but I just wanted to show you that. Okay, and now we're going to have Claude install and run a Backstage application on the virtual machine, and also access that Backstage application via the browser, signing as the guest, and then have a scroll through the UI. Let's get the music back on. And let's watch Claude do its thing again. that was amazing. Just a very basic Backstage application. There's so many more things we can do with that. Okay, last one I wanted to quickly show was just having Claude access a PG4Admin UI. Got it running as a container in Docker. So again, asking it to have a browser access to the UI for PG4Admin, and then just go and tell me the databases, give me some information around the databases. So we'll have to expand the tree. So let's just watch Claude do all this for us. Okay, I showed you how to toggle on the sort of computer tools through Claude, but here I just want to show how I connected Claude to my VM. I run a Mac, and this is parallels with an Ubuntu sort of VM. So I've toggled on these sort of computer tools, and I've just said go use that particular VM, and it will just go through, ask to have some permissions. So we'll just accept those. You can see on the left there, Claude got a little bit key happy there, but it debugs itself. I mean, that's immensely quite powerful. So yeah, we'll just watch it do its last thing for today. And there you can see it doing everything we asked of it to do. Okay, another short video. I just wanted to sort of show how I've started to look at computer use through Claude. It's sort of early research at the moment, so it's just very likely going to get better and better. But just a couple of use cases that I could think of just to explore and share. Descriptions or links will be in the description to go and configure this and set it up yourself if you're on the Pro or Max plan, I think. So another quick video. I really appreciate your time as always. If you've got any comments, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to answer them. And yeah, I hope you found that inspirational in some form or enjoyed it. As always, I genuinely appreciate your time, spending your time with me to watch these videos. It's very pleasing. So yeah, whatever you're doing today, whatever you're doing this evening, have a good day, have a good evening, and hopefully see you on the next video.